Middle school is a critical time to introduce students to the worlds of computer science and engineering, but making the learning stick for all students can be a challenge. Sphero's Rover Plus is designed to address this challenge. It's a programmable, expandable robot that takes abstract concepts and makes them tangible in the physical world. In this video, we'll look at what makes Rover Plus unique, explore how it scales from beginner to advanced learners, and discuss why it's the ideal foundation for a middle school STEM program. Rover Plus is ready to go right out of the box. On the outside, it features tank treads and a powerful drivetrain that can navigate through obstacles on any terrain with payloads of up to 1 kilogram. A rechargeable, replaceable battery slides into a side compartment. On the inside, it's packed with sensors, including a gyroscope, accelerometer, light sensor, and color sensor on its underbelly. Learning with Rover Plus is designed to grow alongside your students' skills. Beginners can start with block-based coding in the Sphero EDU app. As they grow comfortable with more complex concepts like conditionals and functions, students can dive into text-based programming with JavaScript or Python. And when they get stuck, they can use AI features to get back on track with feedback tailored to their code. But the real power of Rover Plus is its expandability. The 4-pin UART and USB ports allow students to integrate hardware like Sphero Littlebits, Microbit, and Raspberry Pi. The included Sphero Blueprint topper plate encourages students to use Rover Plus as an invention platform. They can work through the engineering design process to prototype solutions to challenges. The Educator Guide includes 8 standards-aligned lessons that get you up and running quickly. You might start with integrating math by using the location sensor to model the Pythagorean theorem. Then advance to building apple-picking contraptions with Blueprint and program Rover Plus to harvest an orchard. Add in a Rover Plus code mat to challenge your students to solve missions on Mars or participate in a Sphero competition. Ready to go deeper? Sphero Central has a full library of standards-aligned lessons to support different grade levels and classroom objectives. Rover Plus provides a low-floor, high-ceiling experience for middle school students, no matter where they are on their STEM journey. It's approachable for novices, but offers limitless opportunities for learning, even for the most advanced users. With Rover Plus, students learn to seamlessly integrate computer science and engineering. Using code they've written alongside prototypes they've designed, students solve complex problems, not just on a screen, but in the physical world. Rover Plus makes learning tangible and fun, helping a wider range of students find success and build the skills they'll need for their futures. Explore Rover Plus lessons and resources at spherocentral.com to learn more.